Hello friends, welcome to Systematic Physics. Wave motion part 1 of 6. In this particular part, we are going to cover following points. Types of mechanical waves, terms to describe characteristics of various types of waves, requirements for propagation of waves through medium, and finally wave motion is doubly periodic motion. Types of mechanical waves. Mechanical waves are classified into two types, transverse mechanical waves and longitudinal mechanical waves. Let us see what are transverse mechanical waves. Wave in which particles of medium vibrates in the direction perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of the waves is called as transverse wave. Wave on a rope, water waves are examples of transverse waves. Waves which can propagate through vacuum are called as non-mechanical waves, or you can also call it as electromagnetic waves. Let us see what are longitudinal waves. Waves in which particles of the medium vibrate in the direction parallel to the direction of the propagation of the wave is called as longitudinal waves. Sound waves in air, the example of longitudinal waves. Now when you talk about the transverse wave, you get alternate crest and trough, but in case of longitudinal wave, you get compressions and rarefactions. Terms to describe characteristic of various type of waves. While I am reading this particular definitions, just see the diagram around so that the things would be easier for you. Amplitude, maximum displacement of particle in a medium from its mean position when wave travels through the medium is called as amplitude of the wave. Second definition, time period. What is time period? Time required by the particle in a medium to complete its one oscillation is called as time period of the wave. Period of wave is equal to time required by single wave to travel across given point in a medium. Frequency. What is frequency? Number of oscillations performed by the particle in a medium in unit time is called as frequency of the wave. Frequency of a wave is equal to number of waves passing through given point in the medium in unit time. Next is wavelength. Distance between two successive particles of the medium which are in the same phase is called as wavelength. For example, you can see crest there. The distance between the two consecutive crests or two consecutive troughs can be termed as the wavelength. Wavelength of a wave is equal to distance covered by the wave during one oscillation of a particle of the medium. What are speed of waves? Distance traveled by the wave in unit time is called speed of a wave. Now let us see the relation V is equal to n lambda. Magnitude of velocity of wave is a distance covered by the wave in unit time. For example, velocity is equal to distance upon time. Distance is s and time is t. Within one oscillation of particle in medium, that is in periodic time t, wave covers distance which is equal to wavelength of the wave. For one vibration of particle, time small t is equal to capital T. Distance covered by the wave in one vibration is wavelength, that is lambda. So V is equal to lambda by T. Now you know that reciprocal of a time period is a frequency. So you get V is equal to n lambda. Thus magnitude of velocity of a wave is equal to frequency into wavelength. Speed and wavelength of a wave changes when wave travels from one medium to another. Requirements of propagation of the wave through the medium. For the propagation of the wave through the medium should possess the following properties. The medium should be elastic. The medium should possess inertia. This is very important characteristics of the medium. If it doesn't possess any inertia, it will not be in a position to carry the mechanical waves. And the last one is the medium should possess minimum frictional forces so that the loss of energy during propagation is less. Speed of wave is determined by elasticity and density of the medium. Wave motion is doubly periodic motion. Now what is doubly periodic motion? Let us see that. Wave motion is oscillatory disturbance which travels through the medium. Oscillatory motion repeats itself after regular interval of time, so it is a periodic in time. Also, when wave travels through the medium, particles of the medium which are in the same phase are equally spaced. You will see that all the crests are equally spaced, all the troughs are equally spaced. Similarly, all the compressions and refractions are equispaced. Thus, form of wave repeat after regular distance, therefore it is periodic in space also. As wave motion is periodic in time as well periodic in space, it is called as doubly periodic phenomena. Progressive wave. The wave which travels through the medium continuously is called as progressive wave. Also, any wave which is traveling away from the source can be termed as progressive wave. We have tried giving you the subject knowledge in very systematic manner. Please like and share the video with your friends and subscribe to stay connected with systematic physics. Thank you.